Hey guys, what's up? This is your host Harshada.
And this is Neeraj.
Welcoming you to our show, Unbox Weekend.
Samsung to launch Galaxy A in India on January 10th, 2018. Samsung is to launch Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus in India on January 10th, 2018, that is a Wednesday. Although Samsung has not made any official announcement as to the pricing or the availability of these two devices in India, and none of the online retailers have given out any teasers as to these two products. It is certain that these two products are placed in the premium mid-range category, and these are slotted just below Samsung Galaxy S series and Galaxy A series. This will enable the consumers of these two products to enjoy the features that are available only in the premium category without burning a hole in their pocket. As and when Samsung makes an official announcement, we will certainly get back to you with more news. Speaking of CES 2018, the Canadian auto manufacturer Electra Meccanica is all set to launch its one-seater electric car called Solo. Electra Meccanica claims that Solo will be sold in the US at $15,500, and the auto manufacturer also claims that its electric car will give an energy efficiency of more than 3 to 4% in comparison to that of fossil fuels.
Apple iPhone X Plus and iPhone SE2 are supposed to be launched this year, says the TrendForce. There is still time for the launch of the next generation, but that hasn't stopped analysts from predicting the future. The technology research company TrendForce believes that Apple won't just launch the successor of iPhone X, but it also plans to launch another model with a bigger screen. But it claims both the phones will have second generation Face ID, and also the improvement can be seen in screen to body ratio as well.
The blog announcing OnePlus 5's OxygenOS 5.0 update along with Android Oreo has been edited, and now it says Android Oreo will be coupled with OxygenOS 5.0.1 as OxygenOS 5.0 was stalled because a bug was encountered. The partial release of OxygenOS 5.0.1 with Android Oreo will soon go live. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, what are the necessities of a smartphone? Calling, messaging, social media access, a good camera and touch screen these days. What if I tell you Ptron Rhythm has brought us all features in a watch? Yes, Ptron Rhythm has brought every feature of a smartphone in a watch, including a camera. It's a Bluetooth watch with all features of a smartphone in it. It's a watch and independent smartphone. And for whole review of the watch, please visit our website www.gizmobox.club. Thank you.
Hey guys, I hope you liked our episode. If you did like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel below. Also, do visit our website, that is www.gizmobox.club. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter under the handle Gizmobox Club.
See you next Saturday.
And wish you all a Happy New Year.